my beautiful fly babies, my lovely patrons, my wonderful lions. Today is Tuesday and we're going to do our 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. Get up in the morning and do your routines. The morning routine is very basic. If you don't know what it is, please go watch my video, How to Do the Flylady System for Newbies. It is found on my homepage. So we're going to do our basic morning routine for ourselves. We're going to do our routine with our children, and there could be a possible third routine depending on the needs of your household. And that can be the garden, the barn, the animals, whatever, you know, that third little bit of morning routine. Then when that's done, we're going to do, if you're an at-home fly baby, an at-home lion living in your new strength, we're going to start our laundry and we're going to listen for it to put it in the dryer and listen for it to dry it, fold it, put it away. 7 minutes to fold and put away. You've got this. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is while the laundry is doing its thing, we're going to go through an inch of paper. And remember, an inch is just like that much. And we're going to sort through it. We're not going to handle it. We're going to put it in our in basket for tomorrow, which is the day we do our desk day. Okay, our planning your desk day. So today is Tuesday, and it is a wonderful day because once you're done sorting your mail, the next thing on our 3-layer cake, the second layer, is today is your free day. So on this day, I don't ask you to do anything for a weekly, and I also let you skip your zone today. It's a day to do something for you, something for mama, something that pampers you a little bit. Something that you've been wanting to do, something you can afford, though. We're always going to live below our means. That is key. Living below your means will help you become happier. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Money does not buy happiness. Controlling your funds, having some savings, that makes you happy. So when you're way overspending, you're way not happy. So always remember to live a little bit below your means. Okay, next thing is enjoy the rest of the day. You will have some routine still, so after you put your laundry away, later on you're going to make dinner, part of your normal life, and I'm asking you to clean as you go, and then after dinner we're going to all join together with our payroll lions, and we'll do our after dinner routine. So let me skip over to the payroll lions. Hello, my payroll lions. I hope you have a wonderful day this day. I hope that you enjoy not having to put your makeup on at the stoplights. For me, that is one of the biggest things that when I see people doing that, it's like, oh my goodness. I feel sorry for them. I know they don't even realize the piece that they're missing, but it takes a little, it chinks away at your peace. So remember, I'm here to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to love yourself, to finally learn how to love yourself. So we're at work. We walk in and, oh my goodness, you are so put together. People are looking at you thinking, how does she do it? And you have a little secret, and it's Flylady. So you're going to go say hello to everyone, your employees, your coworkers, your friends. We're not going to hang around and jabber. We're just going to say hello, say, you know, be polite, talk for a second about the program you all watch, whatever. Go get your beverages, go to your desk with your water and your coffee or whatever, your nice clean desk, because the last thing in your control journal is to clean your desk every day. First thing you're going to do are the things you don't love to do, which are file and clean your email, but do that every single day. It's a tiny little job, but it takes away from your peace at work. So if you don't have it done, so get it done and get it done quickly. Then look at your journal, see what else you have to do this week. You're only on the second day. How are you doing so far? Did you remember to write down your accomplishments last week? I hope that you did this last year and it helped you with your annual review. It will help going forward if you've never done it before. Okay, I want you to really take that break in the lunch hour. That is yours. I don't care if you're in management or you own the company. You need to take that break, that lunch hour. It is important for your mental health. Plus, you have some things to think about at home. We're thinking about the basic weekly plan, the weekly home blessing hour. The weekly home blessing hour has 7 things, but we don't do 7 because we do our paper every day, right? So, but we have 6 things. We have stripping the bed and washing the sheets. Hopefully you did that yesterday. Today, let's talk about emptying all the little garbage cans in the house. That's all you have to do. So when you get home today, you're going to start supper, You're going to start your laundry first, go through your inch of paper, start supper. While supper is simmering, you're going to go empty all the little garbage cans in your house, or you're going to delegate it and oversee it. And then the third thing you're going to do, well, you could do zone 2, the kitchen, but it is your pamper day. You don't have to do that today. All right, it's your call. It's your call. And then we're going to all make dinner. We're going to have dinner. Hopefully you're cleaning as you go. It makes a big difference. I'd love to see your comments on that, if you've been cleaning as you go and how that makes a difference in your after dinner routine. So everyone eats dinner and everyone cleans up from dinner, and that's a very simple process. And we have after dinner routine where we clean the kitchen. We are not perfectionists cleaning it. We are just wiping the counters, getting the pots and pans done, getting the dishes in the dishwasher or washed, getting the table wiped off, picking up any little things that fell on the floor, give it a little sweep, and cleaning up after the baby. That's it. Then after that, we're going to do our before bed routine. So our before bed routine is very simple. It starts with you if you're really tired. It starts with the kids if you're not really tired. After that, make sure you look at your journal every day, whether it's on your phone or in your hand, and make sure you know what's going on tomorrow. What's for dinner tomorrow? Do you need to put it in the fridge tonight? Do you need to get the crock pot out because you planned that and you don't want to forget in the morning? Look and see. What are you going to wear tomorrow? What's going on? You need to lay your clothes out for tomorrow. It's a good idea. What are the kids doing tomorrow? Something you need to be aware of? Is the project due? Is a part of the project due? Is everything on the launch pad ready to go? Okay, that's it. All right, so everybody, I want you to have a beautiful evening, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.